Kamusta di bay? So, sa akong previous videos, I've been doing a lot of videos lately. Di pa na ako ma-post kay they're on a queue, but I'm just gonna update you with what's happening now. Today's the present day, which is today's the present. It's the 24th of July, and the thing is, I'm trying to finish arranging the house. Oh, before anything else, akong audio basig bati. I'm just trying this out. If it's bati, I don't care now. I'm just gonna do it. Anyway, I'm trying to fix my house for the past few days. I made a lot of videos, and we moved. Gonna move me mas gamay nga balay. The thing is, because mas gamay nga balay and I've been hoarding a lot of stuff, I could not fit everything here. So I'm trying to fit. It's been days already. It's like a month since we moved here, but I'm still trying to patch things up. You can see like weird things like an red. You see that one there? I just found out na kuha na siya. That's zip ties, and I have a racking here of all my camera gears, all my battery stuffs are there. So it's really crowded. You see weird stuffs there and everything, highlights there and everything. But yeah, we're gonna work on it. So in the next few vlogs, it's gonna be much more clearer. Hoping I can post more videos. At the moment, I'm just posting more of my Drive Diaries channel. You can check it out. I don't know where. Just Google Drive Diaries, and you can see there all my dash cam videos. At the moment, this room is not treated. Na siya echo. I can feel I can hear the echo, but it is what it is. At the same time, I don't have super cool lighting right now. I just have this at the moment and bounce to the wall. Okay, wala pa na akong ma-set up good. And it's like this. This is my light. So, and yeah, as all things filming and everything, if you have a very big softbox, very big source of light, it's very good. It's very soft. So hindi siya ako lang i-bounce sa wall. The walls is very big, so it looks good, but I have to tweak on the settings later. Other than that, I hope I can get more videos up. I hope I can upload previous videos before this, but yeah, i-cut sana ako kung uploads and then jump into this one just to say hi to you guys. Again, it's the 24th of July, 2025. Tomorrow's gonna be busy. I'll be traveling 5 hours to do a wedding tomorrow. Hopefully I can vlog it and I can post it at a later time. But as of now, yeah, we're trying to fix the house. We're trying to fix our space, and this is the current space that we have at the moment. I can change the light to liquid, but I'm kind of liking blue at the moment, so we're just gonna stick with blue for the moment. Other than that, yeah, mura na siya. Nagsimple ko English na BISAYA vlog mo ganun, but anyway, just that's it. Hopefully I can see more, and hopefully I can get more subscribers and views, guys. I need to be monetized in this kaning atong BISAYA BAI vlog. Let's fingers crossed. And if I'm monetized, cool, I'll try to give back whatever. I don't know. I'll think of things. Anyway, that's it for now. Just saying hi, and